Hey everybody, Chris Honig here at MarineMax Wrightsville Beach, and today I have for you our 2022 Scout 215 XSF. An incredible boat for the family, great layout, 8'6" beam and 21'5" overall length. We have this one outfitted with the hardtop, and then new to the 2022 model is the full windshield on here, which is a really nice feature. Still gives some great wind flow. But a great boat for fishing, for water sports, for cruising. It fits all your check boxes. So let's get on board and we'll check out more inside. Starting out in the back of the transom, I want to point out a lot of nice upgrades on this boat, including the 200 horsepower Mercury engine upgrade. We have an 8-foot power pole on the back. We have freshwater washdown and raw water washdown back here, ski tow bar, live well, so really outfitted for all your adventures out in the water. And then a really nice walk-through transom to get you through. Have a pull-out back aft bench seat that's very wide, deep, great spot for people to get out of the wind. And then when you're ready to fish or put a lot of coolers or anything else on board, you have lots of room here. So now let's walk up to the Helm Seat. Very nice back bolsters here to lean against with your seating, and then can sit down and sit on top of this bolster. At the helm we have upgraded with a Garmin 9-inch GPS chart plotter, Fusion Bluetooth stereo, but notice how all this is integrated into the helm. Very nice glass dash. And then with the new upgrade with the 2022 model, we have all the LED indicators with switches on board here. Our digital throttle and shift for the Mercury 200, and then VHF radio and trim tabs with LED indicators on this boat. But again, pointed out earlier of having this full windshield now, getting you out of the elements when you need to be, but still lots of great wind flow flowing through here. And come on this side, we have great storage down here. This is actually the full boat cover with the hard top, and then you have all your batteries integrated into the center console. And then my favorite part of the 215 XSF is this incredible seating layout up front. Huge lounger in front of the helm, and then you have great storage. You have a bow table, which will lock you into this mount up front, and then this can be used as your fish box, cooler, or dry storage on the boat. Then to create even more great seating for everybody, which the bow is their favorite spot when you're riding around, have 2 removable backrests up here, storage underneath, and then your separate anchor locker. So great to have all this area up here. You can take all these cushions out when you're fishing, so don't have to worry about cleaning the boat. And just a real easy boat to flow through, with maximum seating capacity for 9 on this boat for adults, and just a great overall boat for all your adventures on the water. So if you'd like to see this boat or any others, please give me a call at 910-617-3646. And again, this is Chris Honig, and hope you have a great day.